In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Customized Cutout in CapCut PC step by step so you can remove the exact part of a video or image that you want with precision. This is super useful if you want to isolate a subject, clean up a background, or create a more polished edit without needing complicated software. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut PC and load up the project you want to work on. If you haven't started yet, create a new project and get everything set up before you begin. Once you're inside the editor, import the video or image you want to edit. You can usually do this by clicking the import option or by dragging your file straight into the media area. After that, drag the clip down to the timeline so it's ready for editing. Now click on the clip in the timeline to make sure it is selected. This is important because the editing tools on the right side of the screen only apply to the clip you currently have highlighted. Once the clip is selected, look over to the right panel. Depending on the version of CapCut PC you're using, you may see Video, then Cutout, or you may see Remove BG. The label can change slightly between versions, but the feature you want is the Cutout tool. Inside that menu, find the Custom Removal option. This is the part that gives you more control than a standard automatic background removal tool. Instead of removing the full background or relying only on AI detection, Customized Cutout lets you manually mark the area you want to remove. That means you can target a specific object, unwanted section, or extra element in your clip. Once you select Custom Removal, choose the Brush tool. The brush is what you'll use to draw directly over the portion of the video or image that you want to cut out. Take your time here, because the more accurately you brush over the unwanted area, the cleaner your result will be. If the brush is too large, it may cover areas you want to keep, so adjust the size if needed for better precision. Now carefully brush over the section you want removed. You can zoom in if that makes it easier to work on small details. This is especially helpful if you're trying to remove something like an object in the corner, part of a background, or an area around a subject. The goal is to clearly mark only the region you want CapCut to cut out. If you make a mistake, don't worry, just undo, adjust the brush, and continue until the selection looks right. Once you're happy with the area you've marked, click Apply. CapCut will process the cutout and show you the result. Depending on the size of the clip and the complexity of the selection, it may take a moment for the effect to load. After applying it, review the result carefully. If it looks good, you're done. If you need to refine it, you can go back and adjust the selection again until it matches what you want. That's the best part about Customized Cutout in CapCut PC. You get more control over what stays in your clip and what gets removed. And that's how to use Customized Cutout in CapCut PC. It's a simple but powerful feature that can make your edits look much cleaner and more professional. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.